Welcome to Hero Machines, where craftsmanship meets power. Today, we're taking a closer look at two remarkable aspects of forestry work: how to fell a tree safely, and what happens after, when powerful machines step in to transform logs into usable wood chips. If you've ever wondered how the pros get it done, or you're just curious about how far timber handling has come, stay with us. You're about to see some knowledge and engineering in action. Let's begin with something timeless: the art of felling a tree. This isn't just about brute strength, it's about awareness, precision, and respect for nature. First, assessing the tree. You look for lean direction, dead branches, nearby obstacles, and wind conditions. Next comes the notch, also called the face cut. This cut determines the direction the tree will fall. It's made in two strokes, a top cut and a bottom cut, forming a notch that opens toward the intended fall path. Behind that, the back cut is placed slightly higher, creating a hinge that guides the tree down safely. Notice how the saw operator never rushes. Every move is deliberate. Every detail matters. This method, when done right, reduces kickbacks, avoids accidents, and keeps everyone on the ground out of harm's way. Before the final cut, wedges can be used to control or assist the fall direction, especially in thick or leaning trees. Protective gear is essential: helmet, gloves, chainsaw pants, steel-toed boots. Even the stance is key. Keeping 1 foot back and body to the side of the saw reduces the risk of injury. And just as important, escape routes. You don't want to be caught watching a tree fall. Always plan 2 paths to back away safely. It's a blend of skill and mindfulness, and it's a lesson that's just as valuable now as it was 40 years ago. Now, let's shift gears. Once a tree is safely down, what happens next? That's where modern machines take over. Logs are trimmed, sorted, and prepared for processing. And here, we meet one of the most impressive machines in forestry: the industrial wood chipper. This isn't your backyard chipper. This beast is designed to handle entire trunks, fast and efficiently. Watch how these machines pull in the logs automatically, using hydraulically driven feed rollers. Heavy-duty blades inside the rotor spin with massive force, slicing the wood into clean, consistent chips. The chips are ejected through a rotating chute into a waiting truck or storage bin. Precision is key here too. Even at high speeds, the system stays under control, feeding logs evenly and avoiding jams. And all this is powered by high-horsepower diesel engines, built to run all day in the toughest conditions. It's the kind of work that used to take days with axes and manpower. Now, minutes. Wood chipping isn't just about speed. It's a practical way to use every part of the tree, reducing waste, making mulch, biofuel, or raw material for paper. It's part of a cycle, from forest to fall, to chip to purpose. For many older viewers who've worked the land or followed the timber trade, it's a powerful reminder of how things evolve, but also how the core values remain: respect, safety, and smart technique. Thank you for spending a few minutes with us here on Hero Machines. Whether you're a seasoned logger, a retired craftsman, or just someone who enjoys seeing machines at work, we hope this brought value and perspective. Stay safe, stay curious, and never stop learning. See you in the next one.